वेलकम टू स्पाइसी विकेट क्रिकेट पॉडकास्ट। और आज जैसा आप सब देख रहे हो कि वी आर इन वाइट्स, दैट मीन्स वी वांट टू डू अ पोस्ट एनालिसिस ऑफ द इंडियन स्क्वाड फॉर द अपकमिंग 5 टेस्ट सीरीज विथ इंग्लैंड। इसका नाम अब हो गया है तेंदुलकर एंडरसन ट्रॉफी। तो टुडे वील गो थ्रू द स्क्वाड एंड देन काइंड ऑफ गो थ्रू the various players that were selected, क्या उनका reasoning रहा है, and then obviously we'll come up with our own playing 11
Yes.
and kind of discuss के why do we choose those 11 players. तो शुरू करते हैं with the batting. क्या लगा समीर, how is the batting kind of decked?
तो ये स्क्वाड में जो है केएल राहुल, आई थिंक इट इज अ नो ब्रेनर, वेरी इजी सिलेक्शन.
Yeah.
Same with यशस्वी जायसवाल,
Mm.
one of the best performing batsmen in the past year or 2 years almost.
Yeah.
शुभमन गिल कैप्टन, of course
Fresh captain.
न्यू कैप्टन. इंग्लैंड में रिकॉर्ड इतना खराब है थोड़ा, बट ठीक है,
Yeah.
उसके बारे में इतना बात नहीं करेंगे अभी.
Exactly.
बट हाँ, ओवरऑल यस, ऑफ कोर्स शुभमन गिल फिट्स राइट इन.
Yeah.
साई सुदर्शन, आई एम पॉजिटिवली सरप्राइज्ड.
Yeah.
थोड़ा मेरे हिसाब से थोड़ा जल्दी चांस दे दिया, बट गुड.
Yeah.
I like it. Abhimanyu Ishwaran, he has been there and thereabouts in the Indian team
Yeah.
for quite some time.
I think team in India A का captain, right?
हाँ.
So he kind of
So, yeah.
toured along a lot with the squad always.
So yes, deserving, of course.
Yeah.
And then comeback man Karun Nair. I am very happy for him.
Yeah.
And I feel that he will score big this
Yeah, I think
season.
deservingly, like he kind of fits into the squad because इससे पता चलता है कि बीसीसीआई कितना like दे रही है respect to the domestic season जो हमारा है. और करुण नायर kind of scored like tons of runs इस season में जो भी गया है रणजी ट्रॉफी का season में, तो rightly so he got like kind of benefited out of that season and rewarded out of that season, I should say.
So I think whenever I think about Karun Nair, मुझे वो याद आता है कि ट्रिपल सेंचुरी मारा
हाँ.
और नेक्स्ट मैच में he was dropped. He was not injured.
He was
dropped for
Yeah.
Ajinkya Rahane, who was vice captain at the time,
Yeah.
and for the right reasons. But it is so unfortunate कि ट्रिपल सेंचुरी मारने के बाद भी ड्रॉप होना, और उसके बाद I don't think
I think उसके बाद फॉर्म में काफी like yeah he kind of had some
Ups
ups and
and
downs in
downs.
the form, and then but yeah he kind of उनका जो famous tweet है कि Dear cricket please give me another chance, तो जो काफी वायरल हुआ था. जब चांस मिला तो you saw कि IPL ने भी अच्छा किया, and then now he kind of got selected in the
Yes.
squad as well.
और one more point about Karun Nair is the batting style. जैसे heftiness रोहित शर्मा में दिखता था,
Yeah.
और फ्री फ्लोइंग ऑफ रन्स, वैसा वो कमी बैटिंग एस्पेक्ट में रोहित शर्मा की थोड़ी कम हो सकती है विद इंक्लूजन ऑफ करुण नायर. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट दैट.
Yeah.
एंड आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन हु इज ड्रॉप्ड.
Who was the snub? किसको snub किया गया इस
Shreyas Iyer was snubbed for the test series against England.
yeah.
I think it is slightly disappointing, but it is what it is.
Yeah, like I think press conference में जब पूछा गया कि श्रेयस अय्यर क्यों नहीं गया, तो they probably अगरकर का और like the chairman of selector का ये था कि we want like more runs out of him. I think I don't know, like there could be like it could go either way because रणजी ट्रॉफी में श्रेयस ने भी परफॉर्म किया था, plus on top of that SMAT में, and then now recently IPL में
और वनडे T20 में
तो
बहुत अच्छा किया है.
Yeah.
मतलब if not now when
exactly.
ऐसा
Yeah.
है.
So अगर श्रेयस को लेते तो like किसकी जगह लेते तुम स्क्वाड में, like in batting basically?
मतलब either साई सुदर्शन और अभिमन्यु ईश्वरन. अभिमन्यु ईश्वरन has had decent chances in
but
test.
कभी लंबा रन नहीं मिला, right?
Yeah, but yeah, again लंबा रन नहीं मिला.
Yeah.
And साई सुदर्शन I feel like of course well deserved, but थोड़ा जल्दी टेस्ट में थोड़ा जल्दी, but good.
Yeah.
Good for him.
I think they're looking him for like future.
Yes.
So they want to groom
and
him.
there is a lot of promise with Sai Sudarshan, of course. But yeah, I would say Shreyas Iyer hang in there.
Yeah, I think maybe I would say like we have a I think this is a new cycle, right? And there are like so many series at home as well. Jahan Shreyas Iyer can definitely
Exactly.
be put in the squad. The way he kind of plays spin,
Yeah.
so he'll definitely get a chance sooner or
Yeah.
later. Yeah, moving on to the wicket keepers.
Wicket keepers are Rishabh Pant, no brainer,
Yeah.
easy selection, and backup wicket keeper is Dhruv Jurel.
Yeah.
Also a very good, stylish batsman, very promising.
Yep. Exactly.
Yeah, so I think I am happy with those two for wicket keeping options.
Yeah.
Let's talk about all rounders.
Yeah, so I think India like had a I think they have a blend of all-rounders now, which kind of varies between spin all-rounders and like medium pace all-rounders, and
Yeah.
उसमें भी batting all-rounders and bowling all-rounders.
Yeah.
So I would say Ravindra Jadeja fits any squad, any playing 11 for that
बैटिंग
matter.
ऑलराउंडर चाहिए तो भी फिट हो जाएगा.
स्पिन
Spin
में
all-rounder
आई
है.
थिंक नाउ पहले हम मुझे याद है कि हमेशा वी हैड लाइक कि अश्विन को खिलाए या जडेजा को खिलाए. कभी कभी ऐसा होता था कि कोई एक खेल सकता था, तो बट नाउ द चॉइस इज जस्ट डेफिनेटली क्लियर. एंड ऑल्सो द फैक्ट कि जिस लास्ट 2 या 3 साल में जडेजा ने जो अपने बैटिंग पे वर्क किया है, आई थिंक he kind of fits in as well.
And even when Ashwin was around, the first choice overseas, especially
Overseas, yes.
was Ravindra Jadeja
Ravindra
because
Jadeja.
of his batting ability.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah, Nitish Reddy fits again. जिस तरीके का परफॉर्मेंस रहा है उनका
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में.
IPL थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं गया, but again different format, so he would love to kind of carry the form from Australia and fit in that number 6 position.
And then Shardul Thakur. Again, I think England में fast bowling, swing bowlers will have an advantage.
Yeah.
So Nitish Reddy and Shardul Thakur would be top choices for fast bowling all rounders.
Yeah. Yeah, and Shardul is, like I think he has a knack of breaking partnerships. So Lord Shardul ऐसे ही नहीं कहते उन्हें. So I think he would be like an important choice as well. And then मुझे देखा, I think England में हमेशा we have preferred Shardul Thakur because of the swing that kind of goes with.
And Washington Sundar is another spin bowling all rounder.
Yeah.
It will be interesting to see if he plays, because there could be a case for him to play just as a batsman also.
Yeah. And I think Lambi series there, so you never know. Injuries always come into play. So we would definitely need another spin bowling all-rounder.
Yeah.
But as a pure spinner, I don't probably see him playing, because we also have Jadeja and also Kuldeep Yadav purely as a spinner.
Yeah.
So let's see. But what about our pace attack?
Pace battery looks strong, solid. Bumrah.
Yeah.
He is going to be superstar in England also, I'm sure.
Yeah.
I'm sure England team is having sleepless nights already.
जिस तरीके से जो उनके जो लास्ट डिस्मिसल्स थे इंडिया टूर जब इंडिया आई थी और जो यॉर्कर्स किए गए थे वो आई थिंक अभी तक भूले नहीं होंगे, Holly Pope especially. But
it will be interesting to see Ben Stokes का reaction. But let's see. Next up is Mohammad Siraj. Also a very good selection for England. Swinging conditions. And he has got good rhythms recently.
IPL was great. I think काफी सारे dot balls डाले kind of
most dot balls
and
and I am very happy that finally they have selected Arshdeep Singh for Test series against England. Left armer.
Brings variety,
and he is a thinking bowler. I think अगर बुमराह के बाद मेरे जहन में अगर कोई टॉप बॉलर है तो इट इज अर्शदीप सिंह. एंड like how Mitchell Starc has been so much successful for Australia, I'm sure Arshdeep Singh can follow that lead.
And I think like you said, left arm variety हो जाता है. And last season में he went and played county for Kent, तो वो experience बहुत काम आएगा इस tour में.
Exactly.
And I think he did really well. I saw some highlights and he was able to kind of bring back the ball and kind of we'll see. Again, it's a long series, so he'll definitely get his chance. But then Prasidh Krishna is another good option. Again, I think purple cap for IPL, but he also did well in Australia.
In domestic.
And in domestic. So Australia mein, I think he was really good. Played the last couple of matches. did well, and then he kind of is that hit the deck baller, right? जो like अपने height को
use कर सकता है और pace है, good bounce. In England he can be very lethal and very handy for Shubman Gill to use.
Yeah, and then Akashdeep again. इंजरी रिप्लेसमेंट की तरह यूज बैकअप कर सकते हैं, बट आई थिंक उस लाइन एंड लेंथ वाइज ही इज आल्सो वेरी गुड.
आकाशदीप मुझे हमेशा लगा कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया में ही वाज द अनलकीस्ट बॉलर. उसने इतना अच्छा बॉलिंग डाला था, बट
विकेट्स नहीं मिले. बट आई थिंक ही केम रियली क्लोज, लाइक गेटिंग विकेट्स, या तो लाइक मिस हो रहा था या तो ड्रॉप कैचेस हो रहे थे.
सो दैट इज आल्सो अ वेरी गुड इंक्लूजन फॉर द टेस्ट, फॉर द इंग्लैंड टेस्ट.
कौन मिस हो रहा है इस लाइनअप से? who's the one जिससे तुम्हें लग रहा है कि ये होता तो
I mean of course
से और मिल जाती?
Of course मोहम्मद शामी अगर होता तो it would have bolstered the Indian bowling lineup. But injury concerns.
Injury, fitness, form, I think तीनों ही मुझे लगा कि थोड़ा और टाइम चाहिए था मोहम्मद शमी को to bring himself back in the longest format. तो maybe another season of Ranji, and who knows, like I think आने वाले सीरीज जो इंडिया में है उसके लिए we could have him.
और I think last बचता है only pure spinner is Kuldeep Yadav. Again I feel like that is also a good inclusion. We'll see if he gets to play.
I think एक मैच लीड्स में है जहाँ पे स्पिनिंग ट्रैक बनाते हैं वो, तो एंड जो उनका भी मैच हुआ था इंग्लैंड का जिम्बाब्वे के साथ, there was a high scoring game, spinners came into play. So maybe if that's the case, I think pitch के साथ साथ weather would also play a very crucial role. Because you know if you know like overcast अगर है तो like swinging conditions होती है, and then there is like typically a day in between जहाँ it's all sunny and it's great batting conditions. So we'll see. But overall happy with the squad.
Yes. Of course we'll miss the big players, the legends of the game.
आदत डालनी पड़ेगी अब बहुत जल्द खेलने के लिए.
We continue supporting India wherever they go. Whoever plays.
And who knows, like I think अगर इंजरी हुई हमारी और रिप्लेसमेंट बुलाना पड़े तो आई थिंक कोहली तो अब इंग्लैंड में ही रहेगा, तो बुला लेंगे कभी भी. तो प्लेइंग 11 बनाते हैं हमारी, एंड देन लेट्स सी इफ वी आर इन एग्रीमेंट. सो आई वुड स्टार्ट विद जायसवाल एंड केएल राहुल. दे आर माय ओपनर्स.
My openers are KL Rahul and Jaiswal.
Nice. One down मेरे लिए करुण नायर आएगा straight up. Just want to make sure that he kind of carry forwards the form. अभी I think tour matches में भी we have a double century.
Karun Nair, my number 3 also. Amazing batsman, great comeback.
Yep. Shubman Gill comes in for me for number 4 and takes that spot, the coveted spot from Virat Kohli.
Yes, number 4, Shubman Gill, captain.
Big series for him. Number 5, Rishabh Pant. I think number 5 काफी टाइम से रहा है हमारा. Again, second left-hander in top 5. It's important, so I won't disturb that. So number 5 for me is Rishabh Pant.
So far 100% in agreement because my number 5 is also Rishabh Pant. My backup keeper is Dhruv Jurel. But
for number 6, I would play Dhruv Jurel or Nitish Kumar Reddy. Dhruv Jurel mostly as a pure batter. I think he has done well whenever he's gotten a chance at number 6, England ke tour maybe, and even in the tour matches. And if they want to go with like another pace or other medium pace option, an all-rounder, then Nitish Kumar Reddy for me.
For me, Sai Sudarshan, young talent. I would like to see him bat, and other / Nitish Kumar Reddy if it is a fast track and they need a fast bowling all-rounder.
I think for number 7, Jadeja comes straight in. Best all-rounder right now in the country.
100% in agreement on Ravindra Jadeja.
Shardul Thakur comes in next for me. Handy batter and a great fourth seam bowling option, especially in the swinging conditions in England.
Yes, Lord Thakur is in my playing 11 also. Good all-rounder for England conditions.
Next is obviously superstar Bumrah. For me, means he'll lead the pace attack for me. So
no brainer there. Nothing to argue about.
Siraj comes in next for me. I think again like great in the swinging conditions. He's done well in the past for us. I think this is his second or third to England too. So yeah.
Yeah, Siraj is in my playing 11 also.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, and then finally for my third pacer, I would start with either Prasidh Krishna or Arshdeep, depending on like what the pitch is looking like, and if they want like a left arm seamer, then I would it's like basically Krishna or Arshdeep.
For me, it is definitely Arshdeep, left arm, awesome bowler. Yeah, looking forward to it.
Yeah, and then if Bumrah is out, like I think he'll probably play 3 matches. Then Arshdeep, Siraj and Prasidh Krishna are my 3 tip. So
yeah. So हाँ ये थे हमारे playing 11. Let us know about your playing 11 in the comments, and we hope that India team does great in the upcoming England series. Tendulkar Anderson Trophy.
Yeah, थोड़ा time लगेगा ये नाम used to होने में. But yeah, comments में बताओ कि what would your playing 11 be, whether who you would go at number 6, and like what kind of pace attack would be there in your playing 11. But yeah, we'll come up with review videos as well for the upcoming test series. So don't forget to tune in, and till then, take care.